What's good, guys? Welcome to tjrtrades. Today's Wednesday, 26 August 2026. I'm gonna go over today's special session one trade, and then I tell you that I made $310 in the day trading London session, guys. Oh my god, holy textbook London session, guys. Um, let's go over it. I mean, today was it was a weird day overall. I wasn't really expecting to make this video. Why? Because I should have taken this trade on my evals and accidentally, don't ask me how I took this on my funded. So I'm not gonna be trading New York AM session today, at least on my funded. I'll see if there's a something good for my evals that I wanted to pass today, but I just got a dub on my funded, so W. And yeah, let's just get into it, guys. Here's the trade I'm gonna take it. Okay. And honestly, it was super textbook. I mean, I can't really say much about it. And yeah, overall super textbook, guys. And it's pretty much all I wanted to see, to be honest. I mean, there's really nothing bad that I didn't like on this trade. So let's just get into it, guys. Comment of the day. I did have a short-term bearish bias. Well, let's see if this. Okay, I did have a short-term bearish bias. Reason for this was basically the overnight that we had the overnight dump that we had on Asia. So I kind of needed to see a reaches. Okay, if we mark the current range, the high time frame range that we currently in, we can see that we are obviously a little overextended. We were also inside of this 1 hour for bearish fair value gap, as you guys see right here, that we're currently respecting. Okay, reacting of the highs of the fair value gap, and we had a 1 hour fair value gap open, as you guys see right there, that it was just my main target. Okay, we did have some sort of like lows, stack lows leading up to this draw, and I just really want to see prices at least go to this 1 hour and then get a reaction higher or lower. Besides that, I wasn't really expecting much from London session, but I just knew that we obviously needed to have some sort of retrace before making any sort of move. So yeah, okay. So what do we see at open? At open, we do trade into what? We trade into this 15-minute intermediate high, as you guys see right here. We didn't close above this fair value gap, so we were not only disrespecting bullish gaps, as you guys see right here, but we were also respecting bearish gaps. Okay, so we do tap this 15-minute bearish fair value gap at open, and we start to see some clear move to the downside. Okay, here I didn't really get much. Well, I mean, I don't even know if there was an entry here. I guess there was an entry, but I talk about this a lot, guys. And on London session, I do need to see some volume to be able to take my trades. Okay, what does that mean? I need to see some obvious displacement on my trades, because obviously London is going to be choppy. Everyone knows that, and London's just not the cleanest session. I always say that, but there's some times that we'll get some pretty nice volume that you can use that to take some good profits, and that's what I did today. Okay, so we just dumped low. Okay, and we did close below this bullish candle right here that tapped this 5-minute fair value gap. So now this becomes a 5-minute CISD that I did have marked out right here. We did also open at that time, we did open a 5-minute fair value gap here that we were also respecting, so we have double confirmation. This is such a great sign in bearish overflow in this scenario. I remember like a week ago I took a trade on London that literally looked the same. We did have a 5-minute CISD, and we also tapped a 5-minute fair value gap that confirms our bearish bias or bullish bias. Okay, this scenario is bearish, and we had a obvious DOL, literally looked the same. Okay, so after that, we do tap, we have some clean reaction, and I started to see some nice volume. These are the candles that I do want to see. Okay, that's why I'm not really a big fan of taking like 30-second or 15-second entries on London, because you can just get caught in a fake out and just get stopped out. Okay, so as you guys see, we get this atrocious, well, we get this, I mean, this close wasn't the best. I wasn't really happy with this close, but I waited for a little pullback, and I got in, I mean, pretty much around the same place that the close. I was expecting price to, I don't know, just tap maybe this 30-second OB and then just get some nice displacement, but we didn't really get that. I couldn't really get the best entry ever. That's why I just went for a one-on-one, and just like it wasn't just the best close, but I got my one-on-one. Once we closed below this low, I got break even, and it was like an immediate TP. So yeah, I'm pretty sure I just pretty much take the TP, honestly. I mean, after that we just started to just go high, then go low. It was just a little weird, honestly. Um, but yeah, we just started to make a little range that I wasn't really trying to get on. Okay, so yeah, literally call out perfectly. Just want to see this 1 hour for I got tap, and then I didn't really care about what price do because it was just going to be a little awkward. um so yeah, I also want to go over this trade that some guys on the Discord took, and they got stopped down on this. Okay, and I want to give my perspective on this trade. So you got pretty much you got a soup of this 50-minute intermediate high. Okay, you got a soup, and you're also respecting this 50-minute bullish revival gap, which ideally looks clean. But I did mention this a lot of time in my London session strategy video, and is, I mean, you also even have the high time frame close, which is honestly great. But I did mention this, and it's basically you want to have a obvious draw on liquidity during London session. If you don't have a obvious draw on liquidity, you're most probably just going to get caught in a chop. Okay, and it's literally what happened here. Okay, yes, we do soup this lows. Okay, it's super fucking clean. We do soup also, we do tap this 50-minute for value gap too, and we get the high time frame inverse. But what are you really targeting? Okay, you are pretty much targeting some, in my opinion, protected highs. Why? Because we did tap this 50-minute for value gap. Okay, as you guys see right here, we do tap it, we respect it, we go ahead and tap it again, we do respect it again, and we do it for a third time, and we keep on respecting it. So for me, that looks super 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 high resistance. Okay, that's why I don't like the trade, and pretty much in my opinion why it fails. Okay, so yeah, that'll be pretty much it for today, guys. I don't have much to explain. I mean, honestly, it just seems pretty clean. And some of you guys might ask, how do I identify like this good volume? It honestly just comes with time. It comes with experience, and just being live trading every single day, and just looking at the chart. This doesn't mean you have to be always on the chart. I do hate that mentality, honestly. I do hate when people tell me that they all like 25/7, I mean 24/7 in the charts. I do hate that because I feel like you get just burned out. But I do think it's necessary to obviously just hop on like paper trading, try new things, test just some new things that you might have journal and that they seem to work. And that's how I just made this London strategy. Okay, I've noticed that there's just so many clean continuations. We have obvious draws on liquidity on NQ, so I started to paper trade, and then I back test that, and it's giving me literally a 100% win rate. I mean, it sounds fake, but it's honestly real. Okay, so yeah, guys, that'll be pretty much it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the recap. I'll probably be trading New York AM on my EVAs. Um, but I need to make like such a little amount of money. That's why I only made like 310 bucks in this on my funded, because I just need like such a little trade to pass some other EVA. So, um, yeah, I'll just look if I can get a little scalp, and if it doesn't look clean, because I mean, lately it hasn't been really clean. Honestly, yesterday was a little better than Monday, but it's still really tough price action, to be honest. So if you guys are struggling with this price action, guys, don't trip out. Okay, I mean, it's not always going to be like this. Okay, I remember July was such an amazing month. June was also pretty good, and I've been able to capitalize on August, but I mean, it's honestly a little harder than it should normally be. But it's just part of the game, as you guys know. So yeah, that'll be pretty much it for the day, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the recap. As you guys know, I'll probably be live trading today, New York AM session on my Discord. So if you guys want to join that and claim the 1% in circle role, feel free to do it. I love to give you guys education for free. So yeah, it's just super dope to help you guys. So yeah, boys, that'll be pretty much it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. You guys know you can press the like button, or you have all my socials on the description. So you guys want to check that out, go ahead. I'll be posting all my trades on my Instagram and some nice content, some nice vertical content on both TikTok and Instagram. So if you guys want to check that out, go ahead and do it. Love you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the recap, and that'll be pretty much for the day. See you guys.